much needed quorum. I can see that at least a good number of members has walked in. So we hope that the speaker shall, if the quorum is not present, that will mean that the House adjourns. We should be waiting for a communication from the speaker to indicate to us that whether the quorum has been raised or not, because at this point the 5 minutes may have lapsed already, but we shall be waiting to hear on the direction that the speaker will be giving. Pursuant to provisions of Standing Order 44, paragraph 2C, that gives an opportunity to members to be able to request for statements from various departmental committees. The Honorable Member, nominated member Abubakar Talib, will be requesting for a statement from the Committee on Transport and Infrastructure regarding traffic congestion along Changamwe Port Trees Road. This is a statement that the member will be elaborating on as he makes his presentation and seeking for answers from the Committee on Transport and Infrastructure. The member for Langata, Honorable Felix Odwar, will also be seeking for a statement or requesting for a statement from the Committee on Communication, Information and Innovation regarding provision of an express counter for emergency cases on the e-citizen platform. There are also statements that were earlier on requested by responses that members had requested for regarding some statements. This morning, the Committee on Tourism and Wildlife will be giving responses to 4 statements that the members had sought. Some of these statements include a statement by the Honorable Member for Chepalungu, Victor Koech, regarding human-wildlife conflict in Chepalungu constituency. The Committee on Tourism and Wildlife will also respond to a statement that was sought by the Honorable Member for Igembe North, Honorable Julius Taitumu. This is with regards to the perennial human-wildlife conflict in Igembe North. Of course, while the committee is responding to this particular concern, members believe that it will be also addressing the same concerns that various parts of the country have raised regarding human-wildlife conflict. The Committee on Tourism and Wildlife, again, will also respond to a statement that was requested by the Honorable nominated member, Irene Mayaka, regarding declaration of protected areas in Nyamira County, and also a statement that had been requested by the Honorable Member for Sirisia, Honorable John Waluke, regarding the decline in performance in the tourism sector in the country, will also be responded to this morning by the Committee on Tourism and Wildlife. We are just waiting to hear from the Speaker whether the quorum has been raised. A substantive number of members has walked in.
Members, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 35-2, there being no quorum, the House stands adjourned to Tuesday, 19th August, 2025 to 2:30 p.m. Today afternoon. Okay.